it's okay. It's only 13. This is twin getaway car. Putting water, transfer the water. Yeah, we don't like JoJo around here, but it's all good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As far as plumbing's concerned, I decided to go with a bean animal style, which is the same one I had in my 120 gallon build, which was the one right before this one. One thing I gotta say though, this build has gotten me to the hardware store more than any other build that I've ever done or any other project. But so far so good. It's going a lot smoother than what I expected. I did decide to go with the H2 overflow and to get 2 of them. The flow is rated for 1200 plus gallons per hour, and there's 2 of them, so I have more than enough flow. I got the 2 of them from Custom Aquatics. They were, I don't know, not expensive, not cheap. I guess it's my first time, so I can't complain. She's in Port St. What is it? Nah. What is that crap called in 45th? Riviera.
Riviera?
Yeah.
You sold her or something?
Nah, she at Isaac's, the people that we bought her from, she's over there. Until we pick her back.
Big bird. Can't even freaking play basketball. Freaking go with them to pick up the key.
I was about to say, why is the door open?
Big bird. When you think about to be clear? Clear away. I can easily see you.
So I used to run carbon in a bag and let it flow wherever the downflow was coming from in my last build. But I kind of knew I wasn't gonna do that. So I got some carbon and made sure I got a reactor from BRS. This was my first BRS reactor among other firsts that I had. I was amazed by the way they packaged it. It was packaged very well, very sturdy. Made sure nothing would happen to it, even if it get tossed around. So, gonna hook these guys up along with the UV sterilizer. Plumbing for this is definitely easy and simple. Comes with instructions and some things that you will need, but outside of that, not very difficult at all. It also has a flow knob where you can down or up the flow a little bit. So let's see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think so far, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.